Hello everyone, Richard Hundley and David McKeever here with Advance One McKeever Real Estate for our monthly market update. And David, what do you have for us?
All right, we are doing the monthly market update, as you said. This is for the city of Stockton, and we are reporting on our latest figures from the month of July 2019. So we're going to start off with the number of homes that were listed in July, how many went pending, and how many actually got sold. So this lighter green top number here is the amount of new listings. As you can see, 497 new listings hit the market in July last month. And if you look back on the previous months, this number is slowly been declining. In the month of June of 2019, it was 541, so it's definitely a drop from there. But the biggest thing that I want to point out on this chart for this month is the amount of homes that went pending. And as you can see, there's quite a spike in the amount of homes that went pending, from 314 in June all the way up to 391 homes went pending in July. And I think that's right around 25% gain, which is pretty abnormal if you were to look back to what happened last summer.
Yeah, the most of the year.
Yeah, we had a bit of a spike in August of last year, but I think that's a fantastic turnaround because June definitely kind of was feeling kind of sluggish. That it was maybe a June swoon or something, but we definitely had a spike in the amount of pending sales for July. So it looks like the market's kind of picking back up again. As far as the sold homes, that dropped in July of last year, and that's kind of a correlation to what was going on the previous month. The previous month, the pending sales went down, and I anticipate a lot of sales, obviously, for the month of August. So what's this mean for the months of inventory? As you can see on the next chart here, the months of inventory has dropped down to 1.3 months of inventory, and that's just due to the amount of pending sales that have happened in July. So it's definitely shifted back to that seller's market.
On our next chart, we have days on the market, which is kind of correlating with the amount of pendings we had and how fast they're going up. Our days on the market have dropped to the second lowest amount of days on the market over a whole year's period. So good sign that things are selling fast. Now this top line, the green one, is the sale price versus the list price. So this 98% means if you listed the house at $100,000 that is sold for $98,000, which that's way up there. I mean, that's pretty much full price. And it's holding very steady for us, which is a great sign that the summer sizzle, as David says, is still sizzling.
Yeah.
So 98% is great. 34 days on the market is good. We're moving forward.
Okay, we have the last data chart of the day. It is our median sold price for here in Stockton. And last month in July, the median sold price was $321,000. And while it was a little bit of a dip versus the previous month, what I like is the indication where over the last few months, in March of this year, we kind of broke through that $300,000 level, and over the last 4 months, we've kind of climbed and are holding steady. So that's a real healthy sign for our market that we're able to hold these prices. Home buyers are still continuing to purchase homes at these levels. Now that the rates are dropped even further in the last month or so, it's making them more affordable than previously. So we're in a good, healthy market. If you look back a year, the median sold price has risen about 3.5%. And that's a healthy return, and it's an average real estate return on a historical basis, in my opinion.
It is, and like you said last month, maybe they were on vacation in June, but it looks like in July, the buyers are back.
Yes, they are. Well, if you have any questions about your home's value, or if we can sit down with you and chat about kind of your thoughts or plans, we're happy to do that. These charts are specific to Stockton, so each individual neighborhood is obviously much different. But give us a call and we'll be happy to sit down with you. And we will see you next month.